If you're serious about reversing ED, cardio is non-negotiable. And I'm not talking about training for a marathon or pounding the pavement for hours on end. I'm talking about a maintenance dose of movement to improve heart and lung function. Because when you do that, blood flow improves and standing ovations start happening. Here's what the evidence shows. Cardiovascular exercise is one of the most evidence-based interventions for erectile dysfunction. A massive meta-analysis from 2024 found that aerobic exercise improved erectile function so much that the results were comparable to medication, just from walking, running, or cycling 3 to 5 times a week. How does cardio improve ED? First, cardio boosts nitric oxide production and improves blood vessel function, both of which are vital to get a heart on. Second, it remodels your blood vessel network by increasing capillary density, flexibility, and responsiveness. Think of it like plumbing. Flexible, clean pipes work better than stiff, corroded ones. And your penis works the same way. Cardio also reduces systemic inflammation, which quietly destroys nerves, hormones, and blood vessels involved in arousal. Plus, hitting the shoelace express rebalances the nervous system by shifting you out of fight and flight mode and into a more restorative and relaxed state, which is essential if you want strong erections that last. On the hormone front, cardio increases testosterone, which increases sex drive, motivation, and sleep. But here's where things get really interesting. Studies show that men who don't respond to Viagra will often start responding again when cardio is added into their routine. Because if your system's too clogged, too stressed, or broken down, the pills won't work. Now, at this point you might be thinking, that's great, doc, but I don't have time for all that. Well, it's less than you think. The minimum effective dose is 30 to 45 minutes, 3 times a week. That's it. So if you're still on the fence, ask yourself, how much time do you spend watching TV, scrolling on social media, or sitting around every single day? Yeah, you have time. And we're not talking about hill sprints or going full tilt until you puke. Instead, the evidence shows that moderate intensity is more than enough, as long as you stay consistent. Cardio in the mind. Cardio is without a doubt a stress killer. It lowers cortisol, adrenaline, and anxiety, 3 of the biggest erection killers. And it fills the void with serotonin, endorphins, and dopamine, which improves mood, confidence, and performance. In fact, studies even show that cardio is 150% more effective than antidepressants for mild to moderate depression. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start moving again, this is it. So pick some type of movement practice and build it into your routine and stick with it, because movement is medicine.